Introduction. Are you ready to jumpstart your Python programming career? This book will arm you with years of knowledge and experience, condensed into an easy-to-follow format. Rather than taking months reading blogs and websites and searching mailing lists and groups, this book will allow a programmer to quickly feel knowledgeable and comfortable with Python. Programming is fun, and Python makes it delightful. Basic Python is not only easy, but approachable for all ages. I have taught elementary students, teenagers, industry professionals, and golden years folks the Python programming language. If you are willing to read and type, you are about to begin an exciting path. Where it ultimately takes you depends on how hard you are willing to work. There are different levels of Python. Basic Python syntax is small and easy to learn. Once you master basic Python, doors will open to you. You should be able to read a lot of Python and understand it. From there, you can learn more advanced topics and specific toolkits, start contributing to open source projects written in Python, or use that knowledge to learn other programming languages. A recommended approach for learning the language is to read a chapter, then actually sit down at a computer and type out some of the examples found in the chapter. Python makes it easy to get started, eliminating much of the rain dancing found in running programs in other languages. The temptation will likely be to merely read the book. By jumping in and actually typing the examples, you will learn a lot more than just reading.